Most people think recovery ends when surgery is over, but for many patients, the hardest part actually begins afterward. Post-surgical drains are essential because they prevent fluid buildup in the body, reduce infection risk, and help the body heal properly. But they need constant monitoring, something healthcare teams can't always provide at scale. That's where this project began. Our client approached us with a clear, urgent problem. How do we ensure every patient gets consistent, attentive follow-up care? So we built the Med Drain Care platform that connects patients, coordinators, and physicians in real time. The platform runs on secure AWS infrastructure with encrypted data pipelines and strict role-based access. We designed the entire patient experience from scratch. The patient dashboard gives users a simple way to log drain volumes, track trends, and understand what's happening with their own recovery. We added a body tagging feature so patients can visually mark where their drains are placed. Something that sounds simple but makes a world of difference when someone is already in pain. Coordinators are post-operative care managers who monitor patient recovery daily and escalate issues when needed. For them, we created a real-time monitoring dashboard. They can see every active patient, check alerts, track drain performance, and respond instantly when something looks unusual. And because all data flows continuously through the system, there's no risk of missing early warning signs. For the doctors, we integrated virtual consultations directly into the platform using Zoom SDK. So if a doctor sees something concerning, an unusual volume spike, a sudden color change, they can start a virtual visit right away. The adoption of this platform resulted into faster interventions, fewer complications, and far more consistent follow-up care. It brought structure, visibility, and reliability to a phase of recovery that is often overlooked but critically important. In the end, it's about using technology to support better healing, safer, smarter, and more connected.